So all of this, I bought this Francine hair extensions shop, online shop sa FB. Nalaman ko to kay Sandy Proud. So first week, tatry ko tong short bob with long na mahaba dito sa kabila. It's the right side. Okay? Fine. Start! Okay. Medyo sa side lang natin sa left side because it's not kinda natural. Guys, ayusin lang. So, kailangan suklayin. Wait lang. Gawin natin. So, you need to suklay. So, my first wig. Yan. Pwede nyo rin siyang sabit sa tenga. Second wig. Okay, medyo awkward at first. There. Struggle lang. Yeah. Parang nalalakihan ako dito. Wait. So, yan ang second wig. Hanggang dito siya. Paglikod. Ganyan. Third wig. This is the third wig and the last one. Straight lang siya. Na old hair. Old grandma hair. Wait lang. It's kinda like so, that's it, guys. Yay or nay?